Hi guys, so for this episode of Buro Tries, we are actually at Pangkor Laut Resort and I'm here with Chef Arasu, who will be taking us to the Pangkor market to go shopping. So we're back at Pangkor Laut Resort now. We've done our shopping, bought lots of fish, and we're going to pass them on to the team who's waiting to cook everything for lunch for us.
So we're back here with the amazing fresh produce that the other team has bought from the market, and we'll be the cooking team basically with Chef Wan. So we're here with Izrin and Jen who'll be joining us for the second part of the Chef's Kitchen experience.
We have two meals. First is Ikan Bakar and two is Chicken Rendang. See? No, because the leaf still contain water.
I see.
It's not the dry one.
Oh, so not really dry? Really? Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Sometimes my mom would say that the minyak pecah already. Pecah minyak. When the oil breaks, yeah.
Yeah. But the taste is really nice.
Oh yes, clearly I'm very experienced. Just like origami, and voila!
Yay! Basically it's not bad.
Nice! Okay, now join Master Chef Junior.
It's about 180 degrees Celsius in 16 minutes. 15 to 16.
So you just want to make sure that it doesn't burn at the bottom of the wok.
You just a small stir just to prevent it from burning.
Painting is important, I feel.
Yeah, it makes it look extra appetizing.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should just continue on to the table for our meal, but before that, thanks for watching everyone. Bye!